everyone. Okay, so if you read that title right, and I'm working on a Baldi Days of Creepypasta Narration. The story in question is a lesson learned by Domino Studios. If you don't know who that is, I'll talk about it in another video or future video. And so yeah. So basically, this this narration will actually feature a decompile of all these basics decompiled, but I will not release the decompile to the public because it is for personal use only. So yeah. So yeah. Hey, let me share my decompile. Let me share my screen, bro. Come on, come on, come on, bro. Come on, come on, man. It won't let me share my. It won't let me share my Unity without it. Okay, share, 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 share. Alright guys, so this is the 1.4.3 decompile. Running in the Unity 20.3.12 S1. Nothing is going on recently. Nothing is going on yet. Basically, we didn't even I didn't even remove Baldi yet or something like that. And also if we look like at one of the screenshots at the lesson learner creepypasta, which I'll show on screen right now, which I will show on screen. You will see that Baldi is no longer there, and the schoolhouse is entirely dark, and the UI elements are different. So I'm gonna try to recreate that specific thing in here in this specific decompile. I don't know if Topical even use a 1.2.2 decompile or an actual 1.4.3 decompile, but yeah, I don't know how to achieve that effect because I'm not really good at Unity much, and pretty terrible. I'm a pretty terrible coder, to say the least. So yeah, and yeah, so yeah. I'll try my best to recreate this exact thing, possibly. Yeah, I'll try to recreate everything that was in the creepypasta. And okay, so let me show you the sprites for the Baldi thing in the freaking story. Okay. Just a heads up, this might give you nightmares for weeks or something like that. But here you go. This is what Baldi looks like in the creepypasta. He looks like the freaking understanding and learning thing, the floating Baldi NPC for understanding and learning, and yeah, he's if you can tell, he has a science shirt, black pants, and yeah, you can see he has a black hole face. As mentioned, plus, yeah, that is basically what he looks like. I'm sorry for traumatizing everyone on this stream because of that image, because yeah, that's basically what it looks like. So what I want to do is remove Baldi, but not the entire sprite. And if you don't know, this NPC for the start place Baldi is called Tutor Baldi. And I don't know why he's called that, but we're gonna put him way down into the schoolhouse, just like that. Because I think that's what every horror creator, Baldi, or whatever you call them, does for their horror mod. And Okay, I think the game controller script is where the audio file is there. Okay, so this is the audio source. So the audio source is attached to the Baldi NPC, and I'll just remove that. We'll just remove him. We'll just remove that specific audio source. And yeah, he's just. And yeah, there you go. Um, and I'm just checking my Discord, everybody. So I'm just checking my Discord. Uh, and yeah, he's. And yeah, and basically in the story, it mentioned that the posters of the school look different also, but unfortunately, the only poster, the only, but unfortunately, the only poster that was even whatever. However, unfortunately, the only sprite of the posters that were modified was the rules poster, which is replaced by a creepy version of Baldi with text up at the top of his forehead saying "Run." And I know this is very creepy for a creepypasta, so yeah, this is very creepy. Yeah, so there you go. That's okay. So I'm gonna replace the rules poster texture with that exact texture. Well, unfortunately, we only have the modified rules poster image, so yeah, that sucks for me. So, well, that sucks for me. So, yeah, I just have to like. Oh my gosh, they even got the old rules poster. I don't know that. Okay, so okay. Actually, I'll just go with. Let's go. I actually have a program named Coral Paint Shop or whatever it's called. Um, it's basically like Photoshop and Photopea, which is the program I use for the thumbnail. Yeah, that is way different from Photoshop, and it's a very old program, but it still works. But it still works to this day. So yeah. So what I'm trying to do here is like place the rules poster with the creepy version, with the modified version, just to make it look like the school was actually modified. So yeah, it's gonna feature this exact decompile. Okay. Okay, so I got the rules poster open in Coral. Now I will just try to okay, where do I put the like poster? Modify rules posters. Like I said, it's not even the same as Photopea or Photoshop, but this is the least I could do. Oh! I forgot the program doesn't even open it WebP files, so back. Very funny. Okay, I got the rules poster. Right. Yeah. Paste. Yeah. Happens. Look at that, but nothing happens. So I guess we're gonna copy it from the story to the program itself. So I know about copy and paste, so no judge me. So please do not judge. I don't know. Miss Moon even said it's PG or jetpack or whatever. Okay, last shoes. Okay. Schools poster. Okay. Assets, texture 2D. Okay. Schools. All textures, posters. Boom. We're good. We're good, everybody. And there we go. We have the. And there we go. We have the run poster with this that the freaking Baldi fame, whatever it is. Also, I don't think it mentioned anything about the characters poster, so I'll just leave it to say for now. Like, it didn't even mention anything about characters posters being different or anything. Yeah, I'll just keep it that way. You know what? I'll just keep it that way. And replace every single, like, and I'm gonna replace every single poster with, like, the same exact modified rules poster, just like that. I'll for like okay, okay. This just takes time, guys. You know, this just takes time, guys. I know that some of you are not going to be able to sleep. I'm truly sorry for that. Wait, was there like a rules poster here? No, there is not a rules poster here. Okay, so, all right, sure. Okay, so the boost poster, I'm gonna put it like that. Also, was there like a setting bar vending machine, like, you know, 1.2.0? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it was even that exact spot. I'm not sure. Maybe I have to look that up, or maybe I have to remove that thing. Whatever. Maybe I have to remove this. Maybe I have to remove that. Or something. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. So I think every, like, right, and, right? And then, hold on, guys. All right, I'm back, guys. Oh, wait. All right, now back to this tree. Right. So, back. Yeah. whatever. Right. Right. Is there like any poster, any other poster I missed? Okay, I don't think the comics were there. Also, I don't think the Dark Walls were implemented in 1.2.2. But whatever. It's going to stay that way. Also, I think that desks don't even have a texture. They just like have colored, just like colored. But I'll fix that. I'll fix that. But I can fix it. I can fix. But you know, guys, I can fix that. I can fix that. Like, hey, I'm gonna fix it. Things. You know, guys. Yeah. Okay. Desk old. Let me see. What do I have to do? Let me see. Okay, so let me change it to standard, and then remove the like, and then remove. How do I remove the like? Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay, done. And then, yeah, all of this are just black and white. I know. I'll fix that. And okay, let me see. Let me see what I'm doing. Oh, frick! I'm in the textures 2D folder. That's not what I wanted. Oh, frick me, man. Right. And then, do I have the color saved? Yes, I have the color saved. Alright, so I won't have any color. Okay, hold on, guys. Yeah, sometimes it's difficult being a game developer. You know, guys, it's just very hard. You know, there we go. No more problems, and that's it. Yeah, the desks don't look like they were from the 1.2 version. They just look like they're from, like... Okay, I feel like that's the alpha cutoff. Oh, well, I need to change Skybox from this to like the fucking. I really need to change the Skybox to default Unity Skybox because that's what like only for as a placeholder. Only as a placeholder. Alright, lighting, whatever you call it. That's. Oh, no. Okay, environment. There we go. Okay. Okay, hold on, guys, I'm getting it. And then default skybox. Boom. There you go. And then generate lighting. Oh, fuck. There we go. Okay, let me see. Okay, so we got the default Unity skybox. This is just a placeholder. I will change it to like the black sky that the original story had. Or actually, I'm going to do that right now. Or actually, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to do that right now. Let me see. Where's the lighting? Where's like the lighting window? I don't know. What's going on? Black. Black sky. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, this is like so crazy. All right, you guys. All right, guys. And hi, Dylan. Hi, Dylan. I didn't even notice him. I didn't even notice him when I started. At the countdown started. Okay. But no, no, no. Do you select this? Do you select this little floor, carpet floor, whatever you call it? Right. But it also had like dark lighting applied to it, so I don't know if I can even achieve that. Like, I'll just do the fog because I think that's what Taco did with his story. Like, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! This is like genuinely terrifying. Oh my gosh! This is genuinely terrifying. This is look. I know this doesn't look anything like the story, but this could do. This could freaking do. I yeah. Oh, frick, I also forgot to remove the outside because there was no outside in version 1.2.2. So I will fix that because I'm going to fix that. So, okay, so we really don't want to delete the entire exit. We want it to work. So I don't really want to delete the entire exit itself. I just want to delete the outside. So here we have the grass, fences, all of that. Then we just delete. Boom, disappears. No, no more, no more, more no, there's no like, freaking, there's no, like, there, there's no, there isn't, there's no, like, there's no entrance. There's no entrance or outside, whatever you call it. Right. Like grass, fence, delete. And the north entrance was just the one in the cafeteria. Okay, delete. All right, so okay, the entrance deleted. Okay, the grass, the fences deleted. Deleted. They're gone. They're gone. Okay, so this pretty much now feels like version 1.2.2, except it has the new stuff implemented. Hey, I tried my best, guys. Let's just say I tried my best. You know, I couldn't even bother removing the dark hallways because I didn't even feel like it. But whatever, it could do. It could do. But whatever, it could do. It could do. Yeah. 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 All right. Well, okay, so slight problem, guys. This doesn't look like it was more gloomy. Like hollow strength, density. Ooh, very spooky. Okay. Okay, let's play and see how it is. Let's see how the gameplay works. Let's see how the freaking gameplay works. Oh, frick. Frick, is my Unity not working? Uh, okay, my Unity's working, but I'm not moving. Yeah, I can move, but I'm. It's
Welcome
because
to
the turn
Baldi's
sensitivity.
Basics in Education and Learning.
It's
That's
because the freaking turn
me.
sensitivity. Why did I figure that? Okay, finally I can move the camera. That's cool. Right. And yeah, this is pretty much looks almost accurate to the story, as far as I'm aware. And also the walls, but including the billboards. Also, the walls had like a diffuse effect on them. If you don't know the legacy shaders with the diffuse effect, it basically looks like the volley space in this game and stuff. But but it's actually looking like 31.2.2, like with the heavily lighting in the center, the heavily white lighting in the center of the schoolhouse. Yeah, that's basically yeah. And yeah, that's basically yeah. And also we got this freakish run poster with this creepy Baldi version. And yeah. And also in the notebooks, the you can think pad was altered to have the impossible question, like in the second notebook, with the third impossible question, to have the first impossible question, like yeah. And yeah, Baldi is nowhere to be seen. Like he's gone. He's not in the middle of the hallway. He's gone. He's literally gone. And yeah, this is this is eerie. This is really eerie. But the problem is that we have the normal schoolhouse music instead of the one in the creepypasta, which I will fix. But keep in mind that this contains really disturbing audio because yeah, it's spooky for some reason. If that's how I can put it. Yeah, this is basically that's basically generally spooky. Whatever Miss Man calls, whatever Miss Man calls it. Just, yeah, I just don't. Uh, okay, YouTube. I gotta check my YouTube because I know there's something new going on. Like if it's on my channel, if it's from another YouTuber, I'm not sure. Oh gosh, tired. Also, I got new sleeping meds, but I, but no matter how I try, I just end up like very tired, very grumpy. Just forget I haven't even said that, guys. Uh, uh, you know what? I don't want to spoil any more of the creepypasta makings. Uh, okay, I'll release the video when I'm done with the decompile. When I'm done with this messed up schoolhouse in the decompile. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Um, yeah.